Hello! In this video I will show you how to create a data-driven test case against the Amazon shopping web site using our tool Jamo Automator. The tool is cloud-based. I have opened the browser and will define the Amazon shopping website as a new app under test. Since our tool is cloud-based, anyone with a browser and credentials can create test cases or view test results. Today is Cyber Monday, and while we will create a test case, you will see references to Cyber Monday. I am recording the test case inside the Chrome browser. In the Chrome browser, our extension is loaded. I will now record the transaction, namely the transaction to add an item to the shopping cart. I first search for the item. Amazon displays the list of related items. I scroll down and select a Lego Pirate box. I add it to the cart and return back to the home web page. The transaction is now completed. I will save the recordings. The new test case is now visible from the cloud. I am opening the test cases. All our test cases are codeless. Each of them is a workflow of test steps. I now want to add a verification point in order to verify the success of adding an item to the cart. I open the step where the item was added to the cart. By hovering the mouse over the image, we highlight all UI objects. Through the image, you have access to all UI objects that are at the moment defined. This makes that I can create now a verification point. I select the menu to add the verification point. The creation of the verification point is very simple. Select the message from the image. Select the text attribute and specify the expected value. As you see, there is no need to learn a programming language. The tool guides you through all steps. I'm now going to transform the test case into a data-driven test case. For this purpose, I created a data table with 3 rows. I'm now associating the data table to the new created test case. Now I have to select the steps that will be part of the data-driven iteration. Each iterated has a name so that we can also have nested iterations. The iteration is created. Now I have to update the typing of the item we want to search for on the Amazon website. The test case is now complete. I have created a data-driven test case, and during each iteration I will check if the new item is added to the cart. As you have seen, the creation and the adaptation of the test case was very simple. No coding experience is needed. I will now replay the test case from the browser. You can also replay it from Jenkins or Bamboo or from our cloud. Here is the Chrome browser. I will now replay the test case. We support Chrome, Firefox and Edge. When we replay, the UI elements are recognized in a visual way. We are not dependent on the details of the UI definition made by the developer. Thanks to our algorithms, we can identify each object. The test case is now adding 3 items to the cart. The execution is now finished and the results are now uploaded to the cloud. I will now open the execution report. For each iteration, we captured a snapshot of each executed step. You can see how the test case navigated through the application. If you open an execution step, you have access to all UI objects of the test step at that time. Thank you for viewing this video. Have also a look to our other videos on the Android app of Amazon.